Pakistan-occupied Kashmir, which is going to be free soon and integrated with the rest of India. As a first step towards Akhand Bharat, Dr. Amjad Ayub Mirza is countering you. Yes, please. Dr. Mirza is speaking freely from London tonight. Dr. Mirza.
Well, thank you very much, Arnab-ji. The thing is,
Dr. Mirza will speak. Sundas, you keep quiet.
Afghan in KPK. The fact of the matter is that the Afghans have just been internally displaced because KPK is part of Afghanistan. And these people who call themselves Pakistanis, they should vacate KPK. They should vacate Balochistan. They should vacate Pakistani-occupied Jammu Kashmir and occupied Gilgit-Baltistan.
Why do you bring such
that they will not allow terrorism in their country to be
why do you bring such an ill-informed people on
Your stickers below incomplete.
They have globally exported terrorism. अभी 26/11 होने वाला है दोबारा. 26 तारीख आ रही है जिस दिन आप लोगों ने भारत पे इतना सख्त और शदीद हमला किया था और उनके मास्टरमाइंड आज भी they are roaming around in the bazaars and in the streets of Pakistan. Pakistan is an occupier. You must get out. You say
and enjoy this cloud.
to Afghans. You massacred more than 1 million Afghans in the name of jihad.
This cloud.
Killers. You are butchers. That is what you are. Recognize yourself. आईने में जाके अपनी शक्ल देखो. शक्ल देखो अपनी. तुम्हारी शक्ल कातिलों की शक्ल है. तुम्हारे हाथ अफगानियों के खून से रंगे हुए हैं. तुम्हारे हाथ कश्मीर नाम हाथ के हिंदुओं के 1 लाख हिंदुओं के कत्ल से रंगे हुए हैं. Your hands have got blood of Balochistan on them. Your hands have got blood of sin on them.
Honestly,
you are butchers of democracy. You are butchers of humanity. You are people who should be tried in the International Court of Justice for war crimes. तुमने अफगानिस्तान को तुम कहते हो निकले पाकिस्तान से. तुम निकलो पाकिस्तान के इन मकबूजा इलाकों से. ये कब्जा किए हुए इलाके हैं. हम बिल्कुल नहीं मानते ड्यूरेट लाइन को भी. Not accept ड्यूरेट लाइन. KPK is
Audio is bad for Sundas. Improve the audio.
an independent state occupied by Pakistan. POJK and Gilgit-Baltistan is part of India, occupied by Pakistan. Now the floor is yours.
Well done, Dr. Amjad. Dr. Amjad giving it back. 1 versus 3, one-man demolition squad tonight. Well done, sir. Well done, sir. Speak up, sir. Yeah, Sundas. Yeah, well done.